Hello everyone, today I am going to start very first chapter of English grammar, that is the sentence. What is a sentence? Do you know? Now I am going to explain you what is a sentence. Listen everyone very carefully. A sentence is a group of words. A sentence is a group of words in which all words are arranged very properly to give a complete sense. Okay, now I am repeating again one time. Listen everyone. A sentence is a group of words in which all words are arranged very properly to give a complete sense. That is called a sentence. Now everyone come on page number 1 and see first number picture. A girl is skipping. A girl is skipping. In this sentence all words are arranged very properly and all words are giving to us a complete sense. In that picture you will see girl is skipping. Then we can see this is a sentence because all words are arranged and they are giving a complete sense to us. Now everyone come on picture number 2. Goes an old man a walk for. And now this one tell me everyone, this sentence is giving to you a complete sense. This sentence, in this sentence any word is not arranged very properly, or this sentence is not a proper sentence. So we can say no, this is not a proper sentence. Why? Because this sentence is not giving to us complete sense, and in this words are not arranged very properly. So we can say this is a sentence because all words are arranged very properly, and this is not a sentence because in this all words are not arranged properly. Okay, now everyone turn the page. One thing is there in that, by that we can understand that this is a sentence or not. The first word of every sentence begin with a capital letter. If that sentence begins with a capital letter, that we can understand yes, this is a sentence. If that sentence begin with a small letter, then we can understand no, this is not a sentence. Okay everyone, every sentence end with a full stop, question mark and mark of explanation. Okay, mark of exclamation, you know, like this is a mark of exclamation. If exclamatory sentences are there, in that we will put mark of exclamation. Okay everyone, now I will explain you kinds of sentences. Now everyone see kinds of sentences. Okay, there are 4 types of sentences explained in your book. Okay everyone, first number sentence is assertive. Assertive sentences are those sentences which makes a complete sense and makes a proper statement, that are called assertive sentence. Assertive sentences always end with a full stop. In the assertive sentences always sentence will be simple sentence, like as read everyone, they go for a walk every morning. Many children are playing in the park, full stop. I like to be in the company of nature, full stop. Means these all 3 are simple sentence, then we can say these are assertive sentence, and all sentences are end with full stop. Okay everyone, now come on second number, that is interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? If in a sentence it is asking a question, that is called interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence always end with a question mark. Okay, अब suppose why are you crying? Now we are asking a question to other person, why are you crying? Okay, so then what will be? Full stop, question mark will be. So now you understand interrogative sentence end with a question mark. This is the sign of the question mark. As many question mark sign will be, then we can understand this is interrogative sentence. Could you please repeat? Question mark. Then this is a interrogative sentence. Now everyone turn the page. Now I will explain you imperative sentences. What are imperative sentences? Imperative sentences are those sentences in which someone is requesting to you, someone is giving order to you, or someone is advising to you. Means we can say the sentence which express request, order or advice. That sentences are called imperative sentences. Okay everyone, now see everyone upper side in the example, please shut the window. Means someone is requesting to you that please shut the window. Okay, so this is an imperative sentence. Stop shouting. Suppose you are shouting in your homes, then your mother is saying, she is giving order to you, why you are shouting, stop shouting. Okay, so this is order. Don't be lazy, advice. Suppose you are doing your work and you are not doing your proper work, you are showing your laziness, then your mother is saying don't be lazy, do your work very properly. This is advice. Okay, this is advice. An imperative sentence ends with a full stop. Assertive sentence also end with a full stop, and imperative sentence also end with a full stop. But in the assertive sentence, that will be a simple sentence. But in the imperative sentence, in that request will be, otherwise order will be, yeah, advice will be. That we have to see. Okay. Now everyone come on next, that is exclamatory sentences. What are exclamatory? Exclamatory sentences are those sentences in which something happening suddenly. Okay, strong feeling. Sometimes we are feeling something. We are feeling suddenly something, or some strong feelings are there. That sentences are called exclamatory sentences. Okay, exclamatory sentences end with the sign of exclamation. This is the sign of exclamation. See everyone, how lovely this flower is. Okay, what a dark night it was. What a pity. Alas, we have lost the match. So these all sentences are exclamatory sentences. Okay everyone, now I have explained you. Your chapter has been finished. Okay, bye everyone.